So Raz's G dropped the remix. If I'm correct, last time I spoke to this bro, he said a remix pack is gonna be songs that are already known, that is just gonna remake. But the funny thing, okay, I'm wrong. The funny thing, it's songs that he actually had, like that he actually dropped. Maybe what happened is that after that he won that Nkosi Got Talent, he changed the whole, because now his motion was different. I don't know because that was really long time ago. But okay, let's cook. Let's work.
Ringa sayifana ungayibizi ngelingo itsotsi-tala nomqala ngawucofa don't get confused kuba ngwasecofa imvalo jonge straight xa sendithetha nawe cause napusha pressure ayidifika imali popa kwam I'll be on your face soke ibhudi jiki ibe ikhalamani nathi sopopa ngoku siyafosa bebecinga sotshona ngoku siyavela nzima nosijonga ikasi
man kai masithethe ke ngoku the quality. I react to a lot of these songs, a lot of Cape Town cats, a lot of Xhosa rap. But ndiva zisuke into a different. Masithethe the quality. This is well engineered. Listen to this shit. Yeah, can you know this is well engineered. This quality, the quality in the song.
Ukubuya believer, hands in the air and go like steke. Here we go like steke.
Well, fuck. I wanna once in the catch in noga. This is well engineered, bafethu. Shout out to the producer, the engineer of this shit. You quality put quality.
Steke. Here we go like steke.
Sure, steke. Bola sipasa ngestende, obengaphila soze balente. Khame ngobhede urazophakile bheke sosiqede. Ngoku siyapopa thumela imali kanimele ngendebe. Fukuzenzele phume belele. Noba kuyabanda ngenqalwa ingqele. Ifuna ingxaki kawuphakama usiveze. Uthi uyapopa bathi makabreak. Mamelu F uvula umnyanga ngene.
Whoa, Dumabeswe. Nanhleli nonke, wey. Yoxolo ngokumisa. Bing. Oh, Dumabeswe cho. Hey, I like that room.
Phakathi uyangibona ngibonike bathakathi. Oh, sababe moving naswela like a leopard come noba sengithethe igoni liyathenda mandika unondela xa sesipopa bazothi siyaphapha hayibo bhuti wakhe wangibamba funa ukubamba ithama ngebhenzi funa imali ixelisileli funa ukukhupha abazali emjondolo kulo mdlalo asisoze ndixelisilolo
ngoku siyafosa bebecinga sotshona.
Lero the Hasa going back to back with Efa is such a delicious thing to see, bafethu.
Ngoku siyavela nzima nosijonga ikasi liyaphakamisa abahlali bangqina ukuba uyabeliever hands in the air and go like steke. Here we go like steke. Here we go like steke. Rappers like Bambas like Kuruta, Galabe, Falas like Kabas and Fona, Obuse, Una like Kalala, Numas as Kora like Dumas and Win about four. Popping champagne is a squid in your seat. Jelly tongues as swinging his inch. I tell this with sellers I figure about Tulas up on about Tuba was Salamati. Jiggling feelings as Nano Shati, spin a whoop pelas, doing no changes. Ginger my gears as Skin Mali, turning chaos into peace. Yeah, steke, Taladini Vuli Seke, Singene, Update. Funny big five pepe ngekho lenze thina sithanda zinkosi phila imdali wasidala 10 wena usidala nigga sending shots ingathi bebethenjiswe ngebodli yotshwala le ndlela ifuna ihoti thina sidili namagwala yeah ungawuthetha ngathi udoti usezoshayela amabala abasifuni cause we're moving steady spade to spade intwana kuthi asikhephi phuma basiwe sesmoke se-empty siqhubekeka oko ntwana siphezi yeah ningu-Ronaldo uDr Khumalo noMessi xa sesifika bathethi if I let my dogs out mapaputsa kabace skin songa sina Messi sisebenza oko ngathi siphethe ibheki
Ngathi sopopa gogo siyafosa bebecinga sotshona gogo siyavela.
Shout out to that line. Shout out to that was a good line.
Nzima nosijonga inkasi liyaphakamisa abahlali bangqina.
Alright, what did he say, God? And just shout out to that line. What did he say?
basesifika bathethi if I let my dogs out mapaputsa kabace thina sithanda zinkosi ephilayo umdali wasidala kutheni wena usidala nigga sending shots ingathi bebethenjiswe ngebodli yotshwala le ndlela ifuna irhoti thina sidili namagwala ungawuthetha ngathi udoti usezoshayela amabala abasifuni cause we're moving steady.
That line solid.
Spade to spade intwana kuthi asikhephi phuma basiwe sesmoke se-empty siqhubekeka oko ntwana siphezi ningu-Ronaldo uDr Khumalo noMessi xa sesifika bathethi if I let my dogs out mapaputsa kabace skin songa sina Messi sisebenza oko ngathi siphethe ibheki
Ngathi sopopa gogo siyafosa bebecinga sotshona gogo siyavela nzima nosijonga inkasi liyaphakamisa abahlali bangqina ukuba uyabheliva hands in the air and go like steke here we go like steke here we go like steke
scheming ezinje zingabhali izicima zokwenzela ifilimu sibhizinisi series mdovile ibeam khatywa umnyango kusuke ne-hinges ngitheshwa ngempini and akujampiswa zinje zilambile napete kum-eat backseat fihlwe ikhinkile izithi inengwe out sesikarele meat
Tete kakhulu soba ngathi yasipopolisi ama-big dog getters ngisoholisi amathipho niyabacima ndisorobisi umemawuze kalayo naw uyabona manibotyoki 7784 straight out the lock shin how you claiming go hard hlale sabasini ngena ngaphakathi kwabo seniqopholisini amawulezo noba njengo zodipopopi steke.
I've never been a fan. Just into a side note. Umjita uthi, how do you claim to go hard kodwa uhlale ema-suburbsini? I know it's culture, ne? I know it's culture, but I've never been a fan of like thinking about ufuneke uze cabanga ngumrap opheleleyo phuma enhluphekweni, like in order for people to have respect on you, like to have, if you can actually be a skillful writer, you are skillful at spitting, funeke uhlupheke usokole kuqala. You can't be just a bro born with nca parents but you have the talent for this thing. It's not acceptable. I've never been a fan. For instance, Lobifi Asko, I think he's one of the best lyricists, if he's not top 3. But because Mjita does not have the background, same as what happened to Drake and like him, okay, no, sorry about that. Can't even line Kamjita. So yeah, and Pazamis. Otherwise, Dibavile Bonke, K-Wags, Efa, Sva, everybody, solid verses. But one thing that came out for me on this one is the production. The engineer is just top level. Like all instruments, just a clean song. I fuck with that. Yeah, bo. For me, that is the progress that I'm seeing in this. Yeah, bo. I know these people are good spitters, good songwriters, but nothing is like, I'm not surprised, but one thing that you solid is the sound engineering, and this is super solid. Shout out to Mary J. Flower. We see the difference in what you have done to this artist. Shout out to you, Buddha.
Fika senza un ritiviti, te non vai a quanto uzobona ngokhala kwabantu. God.
Did he re-record this when he took that? You silly boy. This might be the second song. Whoosh. Roji.
Diskangaka njengomculo embadleni. I keep my hands to myself kodwa ndibathinta emanyeni. Kuyatshisa uringa ilanga wena usuke emabhozeni. Ususa inhloko umphanga wakho ubeza i-headlines ezindabeni. Oya jonga thina sizibhoza awukwazi ufika nje uzidalele qala ufake iqhosha. Phethe u-YK imononewe ingathi kuyanqonqozwa. The way we going in sikhabene njengomashonisa. Soqaqeka uzofojisa ungawabiza amapolisa. Bambeka uzojampisa wena suba sisithipha. Ngalinga uqala i-business bambe kangasemasonza. Mamela kungo kumtshano kanye uzosola. Sifika sithi wosh.
Fuck with this kid, bro. This bro, I fuck with him. Listen to this shit, man. Ngakulinga uqala i-beef nezibambeka ngasemasonza. It's wrong as a light. Solid speeder. Spitting.
Diskangaka njengomculo embadleni. I keep my hands to myself kodwa ndibathinta emanyeni. Uyashisa uringa ilanga wena usuke emabhozeni. Ususa inhloko umphanga wakho ubeza i-headlines ezindabeni. Oya jonga thina sizibhoza awukwazi ufika nje uzidalele qala ufake iqhosha. Phethe u-YK imononewe ingathi kuyanqonqozwa. The way we going in sikhabene njengomashonisa. Soqaqeka uzofojisa ungawabiza amapolisa. Bambeka uzojampisa wena suba sisithipha. Ngalinga uqala i-business bambe kangasemasonza. Mamela kungo kumtshano kanye uzosola. Sifika sithi wosh.
This fool is white, slaat in night. Zijn ze mijn dik in het scherm gebruikt. Breng je op benen, ga op een site. Ze weet aan mij broers, ik vat gewoon lijf. Ik is in mijn zin, ik doe het danger. No face, no case, the stranger. Dat ze weet aan mij, ik doe het timeless. Kijk je, ik aan mij ben zo shameless. Ik is in mijn zin, no danger. Is het hoes, aan die broers, als het gepost. Alle kak, ik zeg met het los. Alle weet mij, white als een gemoos. Ik vat gewoon benen. Zeg ze mijn broer van, ik lus het gewoon neder. Ja, ik voel gewoon op, dus een beetje, ha, lus het.
She does a method that him reject yezabi offer. I'm a businessman so I suggest uthethe nami proper. Zoba ngumsuthu ujijimbisa umzimba xa zicofa. Sihlale emasomza yenza usikhomba sizokufrya izikosha. Zandla phezulu idolo phansi I'm your highness. But ifuze ngesimba sijika lonke leyi-violence. Ubekwe i-casket 6 feet ufakwe ku-silent. I-robbery nguwimpi they enjoying every moment. Ringasi unemployed jokuthi ayinamsebenzi. Street graduate uthathwa phansi owifawugelezi. Still a captain my left hand Joey nohaqe. Win ubhunga ngathi ye-night uspanisa intelezi. Bathi imizuzu ezami zisifana ngosuku. Sihlale sikhangela inyuku sifuna isikhuhlu senza legemi beshushu. Siphethe amagomba besuthu bathi sinomunye ngoba sifike ngochuku. Ngokuba sibizido lula si-entertain i-beefs baphakela uphula. Got other things to do in my spare time so anale ngexesha. She gave me a call she wanna spend time ndamxelela naxesha. Ndihamba nezinye nasi the whole squad sophula kancema. Came from the city where niggas we go miles for number jiqhweba. Basibiza ngowash imali the blue now we on the spot. From eBhukomosi shuwala in class speak.
Shout out Walestina one time.
Give them hands, spin over the toss. They call me the boss. If you do teams of letter the touch. From a small town, when I tell you swing a motion. Ya coach in Donna Street, Velio Laleos. This game mama gonga, cabin born, what you wash. What you wash, cabin born, what you wash. Wash, 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 wash. Wash, 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 wash. Igaslam ibangathi ususa indlebe xa umane uvanga esithongo. Vele ukhumbule ezilalini xa ubona ezigqugqisa ngentongo. Enzadikwa kudlala ilotho ama-chances wathatha emntwini. Uziqonde once isiqondo uyafatuza zakuqoqosha njengegoqo. Zikuphezulela imnedi tshoze inqunqela kwigoqo. Ngeqondo sibuyisa umqondo zikugqobhoza kwakubhilithongo. Zikufake ekline zilahla umkhondo.
7 hlale 8 hango ndisibamba phema bofu yeah yaqoda icofi light ekasi nayo boss 2017 benjiji dola nongarasi bengasazi ngokundapha nje kumdlalo nshinjikasi Evan Lala scale mina Johnny Mngila ngithathe loose I'm the leader of Ikasi president of the streets find me rolling up the gang bumping me not as a stand yeah we talking like you wang sinene zenzo sikhokha ufenge 2026 ngibona uchinjo nakushingo apha sibalekelo lani sigcwala izitrato shikhibo this is life of finger hustling ngase okonda progress ahlale ngasasesa ngoba uhlala kuyadepressa
hey Yakusathi inner attribute no abuse to the beat. Hold on, I wanna see the people on the song. I wanna first follow the people on the song. Everybody that's on the song, I need to follow them. What the fuck? I need to follow everybody that's on the song first. Before ndilibale. Okay. Chat. I need to make sure ba ndiyabalandela. Okay, cool. Need to make sure ba ndilandela umsebenzi wabo from now on, yabo. So that sizawuvana. Yabo. Be surprised when you drop. Shout out to Raz SG, especially for the put on because I had a colored nigga there. Really a colored brew there. Shout out for that versatility as well. We appreciate it. Shout out to you, Raz SG. I think it's 2, ne? The remix specs is 2. I think it's 2 songs, most. And what is this now? It's 2 songs. Okay, thank you, Raz SG. Shout out to Raz SG one time. Shout out to Raz SG for the put on, for putting a lot of people on your shit. Shout out to that. I respect that. So shout out to the people that are engineering this and the Asbang Bani. But shout out to them. Shout out to Mary J Flower for pushing the brew. Yeah, that's it. Shout out. Like and subscribe. Follow if you can. Extra Small on Facebook. Extra Small, etc. Yo, say if you book a video, that's what's the figure up. Yeah. Oh, Baba. Sorry.